Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. We're going to actually do a recap of the late night stream, and there actually wasn't that much on the late night stream. We spent a lot of time talking about how much of each coin you need to have, assuming that the coin works out at different times to become a millionaire. So that actually discussion starts at minute 27 of the actual live stream. But we discussed like BTC, which we equated to gold, LTC, which we equated to silver, XRP, possible market caps, and also things like QNT and Chainlink. So you'll want to check that out. We had a really long discussion from minute 27 onward. We also did a couple like really simple like pattern analysis of like maybe some technical analysis using bottoms and tops and volume of the major coins. Talked a little bit about the banking system and negative interest rates. I'm actually still confused, a little bit confused about how negative interest rates work. I think cutting interest rates can only float the economy up until you get to like zero. I think cutting it below zero and having negative interest rates doesn't actually work in the economy's favor and will actually fail to prop up the economy. We also talked about North Carolina's senator's proposal to actually eliminate double taxation on a cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's the one that everyone knows, obviously. So what he wants to do is get rid of the tax. If you buy something if you actually buy something with Bitcoin, it won't count as a tax. Like you're selling Bitcoin into cash first, and you get taxed on that. So he wants to get rid of that tax. But I think getting rid of that tax will actually inadvertently get rid of the crypto to crypto tax, which I actually think is part of his plan as well. And I 100% fully support that plan because it would make taxes a lot easier for me. That means as long as I did not cash out, into USD for crypto, I do not actually have to pay taxes. And that would make me extremely happy because that makes my taxes much, much easier. So I really support the North Carolina senator's proposal, and I hope it actually passes. So that's kind of the big deal. We also talked about Binance getting a 25 Bitcoin bounty. We actually did a video on this just earlier. Binance is giving a 25 Bitcoin bounty, $290,000, to anyone who can basically bring to justice the guy who's extorting Binance because of the KYC stuff. So I actually believe that that's probably good. I don't mind people ratting out like a scammer in the first place. So I hope Binance actually catches them. So that's the wrap up for today. I know it's really short, but the bulk of the video actually starts at 27 minutes into the live stream. So please check that out if you're interested in price projections and how much you need to be a millionaire on various coins. So that's the summary. Thank you for joining me. Have a nice day, everyone.